How is your day going so far? My name is Evgen. I work for Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg, a local Canadian appliance repair company. It's time to troubleshoot Samsung appliances. This is a video about the repair and maintenance of a Samsung stove, an E59G7850VS in the Charleswood area of Winnipeg. Our YouTube channel already has a video about repairing this particular Samsung stove. Last time we looked in detail at the diagnostics and repair process associated with the DC error code, which can be easily found by its name, Samsung Stove DC or DE error code, Appliance Fix Lab, Repair and Maintenance Samsung in Winnipeg. Today I invite you to join me in solving the mystery of the malfunction of the upper half of the oven. This model of the Samsung stove has a double oven that can cook two dishes at the same time at two different temperature settings. The upper part of the oven turns on, but after a short time it stops maintaining the set temperature. The lower part works without failures in the normal mode. Let's start diagnostics. I use a visual inspection and measurements of technical parameters for diagnostics with a multimeter. I turn on the upper and lower halves of the oven to the maximum temperature of 408 degrees Fahrenheit. The upper half reached a temperature of 302 degrees and stopped heating. The lower half successfully reached 408. I removed the rear protective cover and measured the technical parameters of the heating elements and temperature sensor. Everything is normal. Electrical wires and contacts are also normal. I took into account all measurements and my visual observations and decided to replace the main control board, since all other components were normal. The new main board is installed. I turn on the upper oven and tests. Success! The Samsung stove works correctly in all modes and is ready for further use. It's time to say goodbye. If you have questions about repairing a Samsung oven or questions about any other appliances, shoot to us in the comments, and the Appliance Fix Lab team will answer them. I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on servicing appliances in Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.